Hi there. The first land animals that I chose to do a little bit of research on were the African elephants. African elephants live in grassy regions south of the Sahara Desert. They have no sweat glands. They like to cool off really by rolling in the ponds and in the streams. Um, in the mud that dries onto their skin after rolling in all the ponds and streams, it protects them from the sun. So that is African elephants. The next land animal that I chose to do some research on was the American black bear. The American black bear generally lives in forests throughout the North America from South Alaska and Canada to mountains in northern Mexico. Unlike most other bear species, the American black bears have really learned how to adapt to all of the human encroachment on its habitat, and it is able to survive in populated suburban areas. So that's sometimes why people will see American black bears. Um, Despite the bear's common name, the color of the American black bear can range anywhere from black to brown or a cinnamon color, beige, and sometimes even pure white. The third land animal I chose was the snow leopard. This animal lives only in coniferous forest scrub areas in the mountain steep regions of the Himalayas and surrounding areas. Um, Generally, they're solitary except for during their mating season. The snow leopard may be found in altitudes higher than 6,000 meters in search for their game, such as wild sheep and the musk deer. On to the water animals. The first one I chose was a sea otter just because I thought it was pretty cute. Sea otters live in shallow coastal waters off the northern Pacific. They have had a historic range that has stretched from Japan along the coast of Siberia, and um, there's so many places down from Colombia, Washington, Oregon, and California. Recent reports of sea otters have been seen in Mexico, so that's something new. The dolphin is another one that I chose to do a little research on. Most species live in shallow areas of tropical and temperate oceans throughout the world. 5 species of dolphins live in the world's rivers. So that was something that I have never known before. And then sea lions. These animals are often confused with seals because of their physical characteristics. Sea lions are mammals that live in the oceans and roam the land close to it. In their natural habitat, they live up to 10 to 15 years. However, if they're in captivity and aided by the healthy environment, they can live up to anywhere from 25 to 35 years. And since they cannot survive far from the ocean, sea lions can be found on coastlines of virtually every ocean except for the North Atlantic Ocean. So that is what I have chosen to do research for land animals and water animals.